Today I'm going to show you how to outline text in LibreOffice Impress step by step so you can turn plain text into a styled shape with a clean outline around it. This is a useful trick if you want your presentation text to stand out more, look bolder, or match a more custom design. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. That will open a new presentation file for you. If you already have a presentation saved, you can open that instead and work from there. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide that contains the text you want to outline. Next, click on the text box that contains the text. Make sure the entire text box is selected, not just the text inside it. This is important because the next step needs to apply to the text object itself. Once it's selected, right-click on the text box and look for the Convert option. Hover over Convert, then click to Curve. What this does is change the text from editable text into a shape that can be styled more like a graphic object. After you convert it, the text will no longer behave like normal editable text in the same way, so make sure you're happy with the wording before doing this. Once the text has been converted into a curve, right-click the converted text again. This time, click Line. The line settings are where you can control the outline appearance. Here, you'll be able to choose the outline color, and you can also adjust the line width to make the border thinner or thicker, depending on the look you want. If you want a subtle outline, choose a narrow line width and a color that complements your text. If you want the outline to really stand out, increase the width a little more and pick a stronger color contrast. This is a great way to make headings, titles, or important text pop on a slide. Once you've made your changes, click OK to apply them, and that's it. Your text will now appear as a shape with an outline around it inside LibreOffice Impress. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how professional your slide looks. If you want, you can repeat the same steps for other text boxes in your presentation to keep everything consistent. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.